In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay a screenshot timer in Sharex. By the end, you'll know how to set a short countdown so you have a few seconds to get your screen exactly how you want before the capture happens. First, open Sharex on your computer. If it's already running, great. If not, launch it from your desktop or start menu so the app is active in the background. Next, look to the right side of your taskbar, near the clock. That's your system tray. Find the Sharex icon there. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons. When you spot the Sharex icon, right-click it to open the quick menu. In that menu, hover your mouse over Capture. Don't click yet. Just pause on it so the Capture submenu appears. This is where you choose how you want to capture your screen and, importantly, where you set a short delay. You'll notice options like Region, which lets you draw a box around the area you want to capture, and Screen Recording, FFmpeg, which starts a video recording of your screen using FFmpeg. Before you pick one of those, look toward the bottom of this capture submenu for an option labeled Task Delay. This setting tells Sharex to wait a few seconds after you start a capture before it actually takes the screenshot or begins recording. Click Task Delay and choose the amount of time you want. A couple of seconds is perfect if you just need to move your mouse out of the way. 5 seconds gives you a comfortable buffer to arrange windows, open a menu, or bring a tooltip into view. Pick what suits your workflow right now. You can always change it again later. With your delay set, go back to the same Capture submenu and select how you want to capture. Choose Region if you're taking a screenshot of a specific area, or pick Screen Recording, FFmpeg, if you're starting a video capture. After you click, Sharex will honor the delay you set. You'll get a brief countdown, then the capture will begin automatically. Use that countdown to position your cursor, switch windows, or get an on-screen element ready. That's all there is to it. Open Sharex, right-click the tray icon, hover over Capture, set Task Delay, and then choose your capture type. With a small timer in place, you'll avoid rushed clicks and cleaner screenshots or smoother recording starts. Try a 2-second delay for quick tasks and a 5-second delay when you need extra setup time.